Hi everyone, I am super excited to announce that I'll be launching a brand new series of workshops. They're all going to focus around preventing and alleviating parental burnout or parental fatigue as it's also known. The topics that I'm going to be talking about are those things that are really hard for parents, that really exhaust us and demand a lot of energy and time and commitment, and they lead us to a place where we feel overwhelmed, exhausted, we don't know which way to go, and we can't set one foot ahead of the other. It's going to include things like taking care of a sick child for a prolonged period, or dealing with a child that's on the autism spectrum, or the challenges of single parenting, or maybe dealing with screen addiction or teenage rebellion, things like parental guilt, sibling rivalry, or communication challenges, and maybe just balancing work and family life, to name a few examples. Now, as you know, I'm passionate about cultivating resilient families, and in my scope of being a mentor, a trauma debriefing specialist, a resilience practitioner, complementary therapist, a counselor, and also a strategic life coach, I'm going to bring you the latest and the greatest information, best practices, practically applicable tips and advice, guidance, and a lot of support to help you deal with the challenges, to prevent you from burning out and being totally overwhelmed, fatigued, and feeling like you are failing as a parent. I'm Sinta Ebersohn, and I invite you to get up and grow with me. So sign up in the Get Up and Grow membership. This series of workshops is going to be available exclusively for the Accelerator members only. I can't wait to welcome you there and take you on this journey with me.